What's poppin', Rolling Gang family? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy, TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. Welcome back to a special edition of Working Out with TB. Thank you.
What's up, Rolling Gang?
Alright, Rolling Gang family, what we have here is what we gonna call the embarrassing truck stop workout. When I say embarrassing truck stop workouts, it's because when you overweight, you know, people look at you a little funny. And when you working out at a truck stop, people look at you a little funny, a lot funny. Because we as truckers, you don't see a lot of guys out here working out all the time. You know, we don't see it. But we gotta do it if we wanna lose weight. At one point in time, I was 490 pounds. I got down to, the lowest I got down to is 298. I'm back up to, if I'm not mistaken, 345 right now. So, I'm frustrated. When I say I'm frustrated, I mean I'm frustrated at myself because I was doing so damn good. So damn good. But the only thing that can change that is, to me, sacrifice and dedication and getting myself right. So if you're watching this video, this is where we gonna start at. We gonna start working out. We gonna start doing something. Because like I always say, if you don't do nothing, nothing's gonna change. If you do something, either it's gonna stay the same or you gonna go up. Not up in weight, that means up in life. If you don't do nothing, you're gonna either stay the same or go down. So sometimes you gotta take your chances and do something. So right now, this is my full body workout. It ain't gonna be perfect. It ain't gonna be pretty. But at the end of the day, we gotta do something. So come along this journey with me, and I'm gonna show y'all some of the workouts that you can do from your truck. I got a yoga mat right there. I got a jump rope. I got a battle rope in my truck. I got some resistance bands also. So if you want to lose weight, we got to invest in ourselves, our mind, our body, and our soul. So let's go. Rolling. Listen, I ain't say it was gonna be easy. I ain't say it was gonna be beautiful. I ain't say you was gonna be able to do it like all the people. It's not your way, but we gotta do something. Y'all seeing, man, this is all I can do. We gonna do some more workouts. With those sets, it's all I can do. But it's gonna come a point in time where I can do all this with no issues. That's what we're trying to get to. So keep rolling with TB. Man, keep me motivated. Follow me on Instagram, Rolling with TB. Comment on the videos, I comment back. But just, we gotta hold ourselves accountable. Let's keep going, y'all. Roll it. Alright, y'all, so we about to do a mile of cardio right now. We just got in a full body workout, and like I said, it's not gonna look beautiful, it's not gonna be perfect. You know what I'm saying? You're not gonna perfect it overnight, because I know there is a method to losing weight. There is a method to working out. There is a technique to all this stuff, man. But if we sit here and wait till we learn how to perfect the technique, we gonna keep gaining weight, man. But I just want this video to inspire somebody to just try. Just do something. Like I did probably one set of each. But you see how bad I'm sweating? Like I know my body ain't gonna like me in the morning for the stuff I did. But I had to do something, you know? I had to do something. Like I can't just keep sitting here hoping and wishing and praying that I lose weight, because nothing ever is gonna happen that way. So I just, like I said, I hope this inspires somebody to get out and work out. These are just a few workouts you can do if you're morbidly obese or big like me and you're 300 pounds, you know? And it's gonna become easier, way easier for us, and way better over time. And if I keep doing the way I'm supposed to be doing, y'all gonna see. We gonna all look back at this video and say, damn, that was embarrassing, bro. You was out there really embarrassing yourself, working out like that. No proper technique, no nothing. But my body and my mind and everything, my life is gonna thank me for trying and starting. And even if I fail, trying again, and trying again. So, like, share, subscribe, and thank you for rolling with TB. You heard me?